All right, what's good, fam? Guess what? You already know what time it is. DHL. You already know. Fresh unboxing. Got to change the scenery going on, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, here's how to it. Fresh cut. Ripping it open. We trying not to damage the merch though. Remember that. Nicely wrapped though, so it should be good. You already know. Look at that. Pillar. What it be like? Christmas came early. You know what I'm saying? By the time y'all seeing this, it might be after Christmas, but you know, actually the day before my birthday. Figure that out. Pillar all day long. What that box look like? Black diamond, huh? What y'all think about that? I already know. Magnetic flip top box. Everything's custom. You know how we get down here? Check it out. Even though we're in that Pillar life, we still represent that U-Rock. What that U-Rock stand for? You are okay. Look at that. Hopefully I can see it. Oh. Look at that. Man, hold up. Here we go. I'm gonna drop it down, so I won't be shaking the table or nothing. You already know how we get down here. Rights and lefts. Ain't nobody talking about, oh, it's one shoe in the box. Nah, I'm gonna take them both out for you. Man, hold up. Tradition. Gotta sniff that thing. Don't be acting crazy either. Sniff the shoe. You know what I'm talking about? Look at that. Fine Italian craftsmanship. Look at that. Fresh from Italy to me. Nice stepping out shoe right here. And this will go with everything, man. You know what I'm saying? You put whatever on with this one. People are like, oh, we can't find nothing to wear with that. No, you can find something to wear with this. Unisex. Remember that. You and your boo. Cop 2. Yeah, you know what I mean? Men, size 7 through 13 and a half. Women, size 6 to 10 and a half, I think. Fresh and clean right here, you know what I mean? Round 2. Let them have it. Look at that. Custom stuff right here. Gotta be fitting these. Pair of claws on your feet. Keep it mean on them. Keep it clean on them, you know what I mean? Look at that. Y'all already know how we get down in Planet U-Rock. But right now, got these pillars, you know what I mean? Represent the fam. Leave a legacy behind. 202 for these right here, you know what I'm saying? 202, but don't worry, we got them discount coupon codes. Save you some money in this hard knock life we going through. Pandemonium out here, you know what I mean? Whatever you do, stand strong on them. Like a pillar all day long. Let me know what y'all think about these right here. I think I've done myself one more time. All right. Holla.